This is the video for lesson 11 on my website, Basic Division. Many students don't realize that division is nothing more than repeated subtraction, just like multiplication is just repeated addition. For example, let's say that I have 18 cookies and I'd like to give 3 cookies to as many people as I can. I want to give 3 to each person. Well, one thing we could do is just keep subtracting 3 from 18 and just see how many times I can do that until I run out of cookies. So for example, I could subtract 3 here, and then subtract these, and these, and so forth. And if I count, I'll see that I actually subtracted 6 times. And what that means is simply that 18 divided by 3 is 6. And there's a few ways that we can write that. We can write 18 divided by 3 equals 6. We can write 18 with a slash. This is a common way of writing it if you're using a computer. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Or we can write it in fraction format like this. The 18 would have to be on the top. It's very important to understand that whenever you see a number in fraction format like this, it's really just a division problem. All it is top number divided by bottom number, in exactly that order. A lot of students don't realize that's what it is. Top number divided by bottom number. So again, it's just important to realize that division is just a shortcut. Instead of just constantly subtracting the same number, we're dividing. It's the exact same thing. It's important to also understand that division is actually the opposite of multiplication. Just like 18 divided by 3 equals 6, we can see from this diagram that 3 times 6 is 18. We're really doing the problem in reverse. When we divide, the answer that you get is called the quotient. Make sure that you remember that because you'll hear that again and again. And it's very important to understand that division is not commutative, the way addition is and the way multiplication is. So 18 divided by 3 is not the same as 3 divided by 18. Sometimes that's confusing for students. Make sure that you understand that if we're trying to do a smaller number divided by a larger number, we're going to have a fractional answer. It's not the same as 18 divided by 3. Make sure that you're clear on that. Division is not commutative. This is just a basic introduction to division. Later we'll learn a lot more, such as what to do if we have a remainder when we divide, if we have an item left over, what to do if a number just doesn't divide evenly and we have a decimal or a fractional answer, and how to divide larger numbers where we can't just use a simple